Is your MSP Helpdesk getting a ton of tickets where users' mailbox storage is full? Today I'm going to show you how you can use Uniportal AI Assistant to resolve these tickets in under 2 minutes directly from the PSA. So let's see how this works. So I'm logged into HaloPSA and I have a sample ticket here. User is getting these warnings about their mailbox storage being full and they want us to address it. So we are going to use our AI assistant to resolve this ticket. You will see the AI assistant work directly within the ticket. Uniportal also works with ConnectWise and Autotask in a similar manner. And the moment I open the AI assistant, it starts analyzing the ticket. So I don't need to provide it any context. It will read the ticket, it understands the context, and it has already figured that this is a mailbox archive scenario, and it has a skill to resolve a ticket like that. So from here, it's going to follow my instructions and resolve this ticket end to end. So let's see what the assistant is doing. So it first used a couple of tools to search for the right Microsoft tenant. Then it's searching for the right mailbox. This is based on the ticket that is assigned to the user. And then from there, it's going to first get the mailbox archive status. Usually the way you resolve this ticket is you enable the archive for emails older than a certain period automatically going into the archive, and that will free up the space for the user. So our AI assistant is going to do the same. So first it's checking for the current status of the archive, and then it's also looking at the retention policies that are available that could be applied to that mailbox. So it learned that the archive is disabled, and it also found an existing policy that's going to archive emails older than 2 years. So from here, it's going to get my approval to first enable the archive for this mailbox. And then it's also getting my approval to apply the retention policy. So emails older than 2 years start getting archived. And it just doesn't stop there. It also wants to start the managed folder assistant. So this is the Microsoft service that will actually trigger the archive. So it's forcing that to start right away instead of the regular schedule, which could be delayed. So from here, we're going to wait a few seconds. Everything should happen directly from here. So we can already see it assigned the right policy. It's enabling the archive, and it's also started the managed folder assistant. So yeah, it's also now just getting the status to verify that it was able to do everything. And then a couple of steps at the end of my workflow were to add a note to the user, informing them about the change, and also adding an internal note to the ticket, documenting everything the AI assistant did for us here. And my job here was to mostly review and approve. So it ran into a few errors. Let's see. Usually they are about not passing the right status IDs, because it's adding an internal node and an external node. So it was able to resolve those issues, and now our ticket is resolved. So I'll do a quick refresh here, and we're going to see those progress noted on the ticket. So we'll see it wrote a message to the user, so user knows this has been actioned, and it also added an internal note documenting everything it did for that mailbox. Now if I go to Exchange, I can show you the mailbox we were working with, and we will see the new retention policy has been applied, which is for 2-year archive. And then also if we look at the mailbox archive status, it is now enabled. So that's how Uniportal Assistant can resolve a ticket like this. And this is just one of the workflows. It can handle many variety of tickets, such as user onboardings, offboarding, group access changes, and many more. So let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you.